Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to add images from search the web option in Google Docs. This tutorial will be a very straightforward, quick, and really easy to follow so that anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, you're a beginner, or even a first-timer in using the software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, this trick could be very useful, especially if you want to make your work efficient, as you can access Google Images directly from Google Docs itself. Before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date. This is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors along the process. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on a Google Docs file right over here, with a sample paragraph and more. However, I would like to insert an image right over here. Specifically, I would like to insert an image of a dog, but I do not have any picture of it. Can we search the Google Images directly from Google Docs? Fortunately, yes, and that is what I am going to teach you today. To insert an image directly from Google Images right here on Google Docs, please focus on the upper panel of your screen, in which you can see different options. As you can see, we have the ribbon here, and below the file name, we have the different tabs. In total, we have a total of 8 tabs that we can choose from. However, for the sake of this tutorial, let us focus on the Insert tab, which is the fourth option from the left. Click on it once, and as you can see, it will give us a drop-down of all the options that we can choose from. To insert an image from the web, focus on the first option, which says Image, right over here. As you can see, as I hover my mouse on the image option, it will give us a drop-down of all the options that we can choose from to insert an image. To search the web, click on this option, the second option, once. And as you can see on the right side of our screen, we have an access to Google Images. Here's the search bar. Let's say for example, I want to insert an image of a dog. Just click on it once, press enter, and now as you can see, we have the different options that we can choose from, which is a picture of a dog. Now, I would like to insert this picture right over here. Just click on it once, and as you can see, it indicates that we only selected one picture of a dog. Click insert once, and as you can see, we have now inserted a high quality picture of a dog right in our Google Docs directly from Google Image itself. As simple as that, we can insert an image in Google Docs directly from Google Images. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and drop a like. Also, if you like videos like this, we have created a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Please be sure to check it out. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.